Welcome to Influential Entrepreneurs, bringing you interviews with elite business leaders and experts, sharing tips and strategies for elevating your business to the next level. Here's your host, Mike Saunders. Welcome to Influential Entrepreneurs, bringing you interviews with elite business leaders and experts, sharing tips and strategies for elevating your business to the next level. Here's your host, Mike Saunders.
Hello and welcome to this episode of Influential Entrepreneurs. This is Mike Saunders, the Authority Positioning Coach. Today we have with us Paul Castner, who's president and co-founder of C&K Healthcare Advisors, and we'll be talking about why top agents choose C&K Healthcare Advisors for senior market success. Paul, welcome to the program.
Hey, Mike, thanks. I'm glad to be here today.
Hey, I'm looking forward to talking with you because I'm always looking for people that are on the cutting edge in their industry, and that's where you are. So let's go just dive right in. You are working with advisors, helping them to take their business to the next level. And I know that a lot of agents across the country are looking for their upline partners to support them. What makes C&K Healthcare Advisors different from other options they have, maybe other agencies they can join or IMOs in the senior market?
So, Mike, that's a great question. I appreciate it. So, really, where we want to start with is we're different when it comes down to agents because we look at it as an agent partnership. And the agent partnership difference, we define that as we're not just another IMO or FMO. We're your business partner invested in your long-term success. While other agencies out there in the market are recruiting numbers, we focus on agent profitability and sustainability. Our proven and predictable and profitable systems isn't just marketing. It is our commitment to every agent that joins our organization. And as I shared in the past on Fox 47, we're dedicated to guiding not just seniors, but the agents who serve them. Now, agents tell me all the time about what they're missing from the agencies they're currently working with. And the big topics are real training is number one. Not just product dumps, but comprehensive business building education. Second big thing, ongoing support. Not disappearing after contracting, but continuous mentorship. Finally, they always talk about leads. Quality leads, not overpriced, not low quality, but we have proven marketing systems that help guide those agents to bring in quality leads. And we top that off with our technology. Not outdated systems, but we have a cutting edge tool that we call Lifeline CRM that is proprietary, and we give that to our agents at no cost. Now, agents in the senior market have an advantage, Mike. 10,000 Americans turn 65 daily, guaranteed growth market for over the next 20 years. And seniors have the highest need in searching for quality guidance. Long-term relationships create sustainability, reoccurring revenue streams. Our agents who specialize in CN market constantly outperform people in the general market. When it comes down to our training that I mentioned, we have a technology-based training system that we completely designed and overhauled, and our agents and advisors can access that 24/7, with Medicare regulations in mind and Social Security strategies. I also have a Social Security licensed book out there. It provides credibility and expertise, and that our agents can also use, building them credibility and expertise in the market. We do a lot of what's called NEPQ training. It stands for neurological, emotional, persuasional questioning. We base that off of Jeremy Miner's methodology, but we really brought it in and gave it that C&K flavor and touch. It's great for changing how you question and hold those conversations to build trust. And then we do some advanced sales trainings on top of that. But I also, again, I'm inspired by guys, and I was inspired by Jordan Belfort's Straight Line Selling book, but we made sure that it was ethical and had effective results in it.
So it sounds to me, kind of with all of the training and the CRMs and things like that, it's like a business in a box. So, when you're asked what sets you apart from, other agencies, I'll bet you that other agencies or IMOs would say, hey, here's this one thing and scattered a bit of benefits. Sounds to me like this is a sequential business in a box that takes you from, getting started to success in no time.
Yeah, and one thing I'd like to throw out there too, Mike, with this question is we don't look for just agents already, people holding a licensure. If you're somebody out there looking for a career change, if you're considering that career change into the insurance market, especially the senior market, it offers the most stable and rewarding entry point of any other job out there. Seniors actually value expertise and relationships over high pressure sales tactics. We provide you with substantial discounts to be able to help pre-licensing and everything else, and all of our training going along. We give you the right footing and the right pathway to start that career. So we encourage people that might be out there not licensed yet, looking for that career change, to consider, working in the insurance field. It's one of the fastest growing and substantial and sustainable markets that are out there.
I think that a lot of times people might hear about, Medicare, there's a lot of change and it's confusing, or it's a lot to learn. What are you guys doing at C&K Healthcare Advisors to make sure that your team of agents stay current, but also compliant, so that they can make sure that they are providing the best value to their clients?
So we don't just throw our agents into the Medicare season. We help build their expertise year round. Like I said, we do comprehensive training on original Medicare, Medicare Advantage, and Medicare supplements. We're really big into understanding the current year's premiums and deductibles, and we really help break down that couple 100-page CMS MCMG, stands for Medicare Marketing Guidelines, because most agents don't have the time or the ability to crunch 400 and some plus pages down. So we've helped summarize that down into a few pieces, so that way any of their marketing or presentations out there, they're staying compliant. But more importantly, we help agents learn how to simplify complex information to simple solutions for seniors. Again, going on with our...
You've been listening to Influential Entrepreneurs with Mike Saunders. To learn more about the resources mentioned on today's show or listen to past episodes, visit www.influentialentrepreneursradio.com. You've been listening to Influential Entrepreneurs with Mike Saunders. To learn more about the resources mentioned on today's show or listen to past episodes, visit www.influentialentrepreneursradio.com.